Hi everyone, a very good evening to all of you. It's me, Jeff Ignacio, the owner of this channel. Thank you very much for the subscribe, comments, and also like. It truly means a lot to me. Alright, so I am going to react to something very different from the normal singing and whatnot. I saw here uploaded by the Royal TV. Um, yeah, top 5 massive landslide caught on camera. All right. So without further ado, let's check this out. When you mention about landslide, my heart feels like, oh, this must be something massive because once nature strikes back, that's it. So without further ado, let's watch it together. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, look at the big rock. Oh my goodness, I cannot imagine if I am there. I'll die. Oops. Oh, this one reminds me of like the one in Kembangan, right? The recent happening. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't. Oh my lord. There goes. That's the train track, right? Oh my goodness. Look at all the cars. Okay. Oh my goodness. There's a car there. Ooh.
Oh shit!
Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, this is scary. Ooh, this is scary. This is scary, man. Oh my goodness. Why are they like still happy? Like, if I were them, I will just run away. Oh my goodness. Uh. Like I said, when nature strikes back, yeah. Oh, you will never know. Including the flood, the recent flood. How small we are. Oh my goodness, I cannot imagine if I'm driving there and like what happened in, is it Genting or Cameron? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys better go out from there. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh, you better run. You better run. Oh my god, that is crazy. Oh my god, luckily nothing happened to that house, yeah? I mean, to that newly built area. Oh my goodness. Oh, and why are you still there? Why are you still there, Bodo? Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness, that was near miss. Oh. Oh my goodness. So sorry for saying that word, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my good. Oh my goodness. My headache suddenly I feel like aku punya kepala sakit lah. Oh my god, look at that soil moving. Incredibly, it's incredible. Oh my goodness, look at the tanah bergerak like it's pushing. It must be the water there have been there for so long. Okay. Oh my goodness, I think kepala dah sakit lah. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at all the trees and all the electricity, the poles. Oh my god. That is crazy. This is not top 5. I think it's more than 5 already. What happened? Macam pecah lah tanah tu kan. Yalah macam pecah. Is he going to land there or what? Oh my, look at the... Where is he going to land? Oh. This is what creeps me, you know, when you go to the like cerun-cerun or tempat tanah tinggi, because you never know. You might be at the wrong place at the wrong time. Oh mak kau. Aduh ya Tuhan. Kenapalah kau orang masih bertenggek dekat sana, ya Tuhan. What is so... Oh my goodness, you better go away. Oh my goodness, you better run away lah. What for you go there? Oh my goodness. I tak pernah react benda yang buat I stress. Oh my goodness, why are they even still there? And the guy is like looking at the... Oh my god. That is one huge gigantic... Oh, there goes that house. Sure. Oh my goodness. Oh, luckily not. I mean, it just pushed the house. Oh my goodness, yang ni nampak dah macam pecah-pecah dah ni. Ini macam retak nak menanti belah dah ni. Oh, maybe this one already like... Already happened, I think. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Nature is beautiful, but have to be very careful, yeah? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, ya Tuhan. Oh. Aduh, saya punya kepala dah. Oh my goodness, where is this? Where is this? Look at the destruction, man. Oh, ooh, what is that? Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the land. Maybe it got pushed away. Was it? Oh. My goodness, why are you people still there? I really don't understand these people. You nak selamatkan apa benda, you better move away lah. Aduh, you cannot fight with nature. Aduh, 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 aduh. Ya Tuhan, ya Tuhan. Macam dia masih nak selamatkan kereta dia kan. Aduh. And put himself in danger. Aduh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. I punya kepala dah macam... I tak tahu kenapa nak teriak-teriak nak bising I sakit kepala tengok. As if you shout, you can stop it. Oh my goodness, look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, don't tell me it will... Oh. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Was it a river? Oh, it's a river. Oh. It was beautiful, but... my goodness, is that like a mountain? Something? Oh my goodness, someone's house is down there. Oh my goodness, I hope they know what's going on outside. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my. Why are you shouting like mad? And they didn't even drive out like, I don't know, they just let it be? What a massive destruction. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, look at the rock. Look at the rock. Looks beautiful, but oh, macam alam semula jadi ni tengah membenci kita dalam diam. But once they attack you, wow, that is crazy, guys. I punya kepala terus I rasa macam ada headache. Terus I rasa macam I nak makan Panadol lah. Tiba-tiba I sakit kepala. So yeah, that's it my reaction. I'm so sorry I tersebut perkataan BODOH tadi. I feel that some people, right, sengaja cari pasal, you know. Like, yelah, you nak merakam keadaan, situasi, you nak see the live things going on when you're actually fighting with the nature and we can never win. Yeah? Once nature strike, I said, that's it. Once nature strike. So yeah, thank you very much for watching my reaction. I nak berehat, kepala I dah pening. Alright, till then, take care, stay safe, and hashtag kita jaga kita. Bye-bye.